Hi, today's lexical chunk was inspired by a student who's studying German. She's currently living in Germany, and although German isn't her first language and she's far from being fluent in German, she can still hold her own in German. She can successfully defend herself in German. Her German is good enough to do that. If you're able to hold your own, you mean you're able to successfully defend yourself in a challenging situation, like speaking a second language. Likewise, if you hold your own in an argument, you're able to successfully defend your point of view against someone else in that argument. Again, similarly, if you can hold your own in a competition, you can successfully compete against others in a competition. You're not out of your depth. You can hold your own. You're as good as others. It implies being strong and capable.